Hi everyone, welcome to My Max Academy. In this session, we will continue with linear equation in two variables chapter for 10th standard CBSE Max. We'll continue with exercise 3.6 in page number 67 in your textbook. Page number 67, exercise 3.6. So we will continue with first problem, 7th subdivision. First 7th subproblem. Right? So the question says 10 by x plus y, 10 by x plus y plus 2 by x minus y equal to 4. Then 15 by x plus y minus 5 by x minus y equal to minus 2. So we need to solve these two and we have to find the value of x and y. Right? Again, so this is your first equation, this is your second equation, and again we see that the variables are on the denominator. So we need to make some substitution. So how do we write this as? So we will write this as 10 into 1 by x plus y, 10 into 1 plus x plus y plus 2 into 1 by x minus y equal to 4, because 2 by x minus y can be written as 2 into 1 by x minus y, 10 by x plus y can be written as 10 into 1 by x plus y, then this is 15 into 1 by x plus y minus 5 into 1 by x minus y equal to minus 2. In the same equation we have written like this. This 15 into 1 by x plus y means 15 by x plus y. Now if you see this, so this is 1 by x plus y, 1 by x plus y, 1 by x minus y, 1 by x minus 1. So we will put 1 by x plus y as p and we will put 1 by x minus y as q in the above equation. Then what these two equations will become? So this will become 10 into, instead of 1 by x plus y I will put p plus 2 into 1 by x minus y is q equal to 4. Similarly here 15 into 1 by x plus y is p plus minus 5 into 1 by x minus y is q equal to minus 2. Right, now we have got the two equations which is in the form of linear equations in two variables. We'll call this as equation 3 and equation 4. Now we need to solve this by any one of the method. We will solve by elimination method, right? So for elimination method we should check whether coefficient of p is same in both the equations or coefficient of q is same in both the equations. Coefficient of p is 10 and 15, they are not same. Here it is 2 and 5 or 2 and minus 5, they are not same. So we should make them same by multiplying the equation 3 with some number and 4 with some number, so that the coefficient of either p or coefficient of either q in both the equations should be same. Right? So now what do we do? Now let's observe this. So suppose if I observe this, right, either we can make coefficient of p same or coefficient of q same. Right? So what we'll do is we will try to take this, we will multiply this equation by 5, this 5, and this will become 10, and we will multiply the equation 4 with this 2. So 2 into 5 will become 10, and 5 into 2 also will become 10. Or we can make this also as same, but we need to take the LCM between 10 and 15, which will become 30. 30 is the LCM. Then we should multiply this by 3 and this by 2. That is another way. Or we can take LCM between 2 and 5, which is 10. Right? So we will make this as 10. So we will multiply equation 3 by 5. I'm going to multiply the equation 3, entire equation, by this 5, and equation 4 by, this is equation 4 by this 2, by 2. Then what happens if I do this? I'll write it here. So what it becomes, the third equation, I'm going to multiply the third equation by 5 each term. So 5 into 10p is 50p, then 5 into 2q is 10q, then 5 into 4 is 20. Then again we have to multiply each of the equation for each term by 2. So 2 into 15 is 30p minus 2 into 5 is 10q equal to 2 into minus 2 is minus 4. Now we see the coefficient of q is same in both. It can change by the sign. Plus minus is okay. The number wise 10, 10. So we have got it same. Now what we will do? We will try to either add or subtract. To decide add or subtract, now see the sign. It is plus, it is minus. So 1 is plus, 1 is minus. We need not subtract, which means we need not change the sign of this equation, the second equation or the fourth equation. So we need not change the sign of this because the sign is already different. So we'll directly add. So 50 plus 30 is 80p, right? And this is 10q, this is minus 10q. They'll get cancelled. 20 minus 4 is 16. So you'll get p is equal to 16 by 80. So p is 1 by 5 if you cancel. Then we found the value of p. Now we should get the value of q. Substitute in any one of the equations. So I will substitute p as substitute p equal to 1 by 5 in equation number 3. You can substitute in 3 or 4. I'll substitute in 3. So in 3. So what is equation 3? Equation 3 is this one. 10p plus 2q equal to 4. Right? So this is my third equation I have written here. Now substitute p as 1 by 5. So you'll get 10 into p. P is 1 by 5 plus 2q equal to 4. So 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. They get cancelled. You get 2 plus 2q equal to 4. The 2q is equal to 4 minus 2. This 2 goes here, it will become minus 2. Plus 2 going here is minus 2. So 2q is 2. So q is 2 by 2. So which gives you q as 1. So we got the value of q is 1. Value of p is 1 by 5. Now let's substitute the value of p and q to find the value of x and y. So we need to substitute in this one. Right? So what is our p values? 1 by x plus y is p. That's the substitution that we made here. Right? So now let's substitute what is p. 1 by x plus y equal to p. P is how much? 1 by 5. So substitute 1 by 5. Now cross multiply. 5 into 1 is 5 equal to x plus y into 1 is x plus y. So you get x plus y equal to 5. I'll write this here and this here. So this is another equation. We can call it as equation 5. Now let's take the q part. 1 by x minus y is q. So 1 by x minus y equal to q. Right? Now what is q? Q is 1. So which means 1 by x minus y equal to 1. In the place of q, I am substituting this 1. Right? So now cross multiply. So x minus y into 1. So 1 equal to x minus y into 1 will give you x minus y. Now you can write x minus y equal to this 1 can come here. You can write like this. So the equation 6. Now we should solve equation 5 and equation 6 to find the value of x and y. Right? So what is our fifth equation? X plus y equal to 5. X minus y equal to 1. Again we have to solve using any one of the method. Elimination, substitution or cross multiplication. We will go for elimination method. Now we see the variable, the coefficient of x is 1, 1. So we can directly start. Right? Now again y is also having 1 and minus 1. Right? So both are having 1, 1. So we will take the y1 because if you see the y, it is plus and minus. So we can directly add. We need not change the sign. So if I add these two, I'll get 2x. If I add these two, they'll get cancelled. So 5 plus 1, 6. So whenever after making the coefficient of x and y same, or if the x and either coefficient of x is same in both the equations or coefficient of y is same in both the equations, when you add or subtract, one variable should get cancelled. If you again get both the variables 2x as well as y, then there is something wrong you have done. Right? So one of them will get cancelled. As long as you make the coefficient of x in both the equations same or coefficient of y in both the equations in same, you must either add or subtract. So you have to accordingly do add or subtract so that one of the variables gets cancelled, or basically the variable whose coefficient is same, it gets cancelled. So 2x is 6, so x is 6 by 2, so x is 3. Now we found x as 3. Now we will substitute x as 3 I'm doing the continuation here. We'll substitute x as 3 in one of the equation. So I'll take x plus y is 5 in this equation. I'll substitute x equal to 3 here. So then I'll get 3 plus y equal to 5 because I'm substituting x as 3 here. Then my y becomes 5 minus 3. 3 goes this side. So my y becomes 2. My y becomes 2. So what is the answer? Final answer? Answer is x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2. Right? X is equal to 3 and y equal to 2. So that is the final answer for this particular problem. Now let's do the 8th one. In first problem, 8th sub problem. So what it is? So let me erase this. Okay. Fine. So for the 8th one, first problem, 8th sub problem. So what it says is 1 by 3x. I'll write the question here. 1 by 3x plus y plus 1 by 3x minus y is equal to 3 by 4. Fine. Now the second part is 1 by 2 into 3x plus y minus 1 by 2 into 3x minus y equal to minus 1 by 8. The equation 1, the equation 2. So whenever you write the equation, just make sure that you have written the equation properly. The plus minus, always have a check, minus 1 by 8, so that you don't write the question wrongly. If you write the question wrongly, then everything will become wrong. So you have to be careful in writing the question. So it is always better to check the question again, just to make sure that you have written the right question. I've written many times the question itself wrong, and I'll do the problem and I'll not get the answer. Then I realize that, oh, my question itself was wrong, then I'll go and correct it. So anyway, so now this is the question. Fine. I'm just checking. I always double check, just to make sure that the question is proper. Okay. Now again this. So we will write this as what? So this is 1 by this one. Again, the variables are in the denominator. Variables are in the denominator. You have to make some substitution to make this set of equation as linear equations in two variables. So 1 by, I will take this is 3x plus y. There is no change in the first one. 3x minus y. I am writing as it is, 3 by 4. The second equation, we will write this one as 1 by 2 into 1 by 3x plus y. Where 1 by 2 into 3x plus y can be written as 1 by 2 into 1 by 3x plus y minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 3x minus y equal to minus 1 by 8. I should put a bracket here. Fine. Now if you see what substitution I can make so that this become linear equations in two variables. Now I can put 1 by 3x plus y. It is present here as well as here. Similarly, 1 by 3x minus y is here and here. So both should match. Whatever is here should be here. Whatever is here should be here. Only then the substitution will work. And they will give the problem like that only. So we'll put 1 by 3x plus y as p, and then we'll put this one 1 by 3x minus y as q. Don't put just 3x minus y, you have to put 1 by 3x minus y as q. Some people will in urgency they'll put 3x minus y as q. It's not 3x minus y is q. 1 by this entire thing is q. So entire thing is p. So now if you substitute this, what is this become? So 1 by 3x plus y will become p plus 1 by 3x minus y will become q equal to 3 by 4. So again this becomes what? 1 by 2 into 1 by 3x plus y is p. So 1 by 2p plus this will be, sorry, this minus 1 by 2, 1 by 3x minus y will become q equal to minus 1 by 8. Right? We call this as equation 5 and equation 6. Right? Now again if you observe, I told you we have the fraction in the we have some number in the denominator. Basically we see fractions, so we will try to avoid the fractions as much as possible. So how do we avoid that? What we'll do is we will again rewrite that equation so that there is no denominator or there is no fraction involved. So let's take the fifth one, p plus q equal to 3 by 4. So I don't want this 4. I don't want a fraction. We can keep it as a fraction and do it. Only thing is we have to deal with the fraction. So dealing with the fraction may be a little difficult rather than dealing with the whole numbers or integers. So now cross multiply. This 4 will go here. So it will become 4 into p plus q equal to 3. You'll get 4p plus 4q equal to 3. We call this as equation probably 7. See, the equation 5 only has become equation 7. Again, take this sixth equation. 1 by 2p minus 1 by 2q equal to minus 1 by 8. 1 by 2p minus 1 by 2q equal to minus 1 by 8. I am taking this here. Then again we have to remove this. So we do the fraction, addition, subtraction. Denominator stay 2. So we can directly put 2. The numerator will become p minus q equal to minus 1 by 8. See, if the denominator is same, you can add or subtract the numerator, right? LCM is 2. So now p minus q, cross multiply, right? To cross multiply, you get 8 into p minus q, 8 into p minus q equal to 2 into minus 1, this minus 2, right? So this into this equal to this into this. So now what we get? We get 8p minus 8q equal to minus 2. Now again, if you observe, always if you see same, if this equation has any number that is common, here everything is divisible by 2. Everything is a multiple of 2. So you can cancel throughout by 2. If you cancel throughout by 2, this will become 4p minus 4q equal to minus 1. I'm dividing each term by 2. 8 divided by 2 is 4. Again, minus 8 divided by 2 is minus 4. Minus 2 by 2 is minus 1. So this you call it as equation 8. Now we need to solve 7 and equation 8. 7th equation and 8th equation. So what? Let's rewrite the equation. So 4p plus 4q equal to 3. This is my 7th equation. Then 4p minus 4q equal to minus 1, which is my 8th equation. Now let's try to add or subtract. Now we see the coefficient is same. 4, 4 here also the same. 4, 4. Sign can be different. Right? Then we'll see here. So 4, 4. We can take this also, but here it is both have the same sign. If both have the same sign, then you need to change the sign. But if I take q1, it is plus 4 and minus 4. So we can directly add. We need not change the sign because they will get cancelled. So add this. 4p plus 4p is 8p. This is plus 4 minus q cancelled. So 3 minus 1 is 2. So you'll get p as 2 by 8, which is equal to 1 by 4. So your p is 1 by 4. So we have got p. Now let's try to find q. Let's try and find the value of q. So what is q? We'll substitute p as 1 by 4 in any one of the equations. Any one of these equations. Any one of these equations, we'll substitute p is equal to 1 by 4. Or we can even substitute this in this also. Any equation. This equation or this equation, any equation we can substitute. So we'll substitute in the same equation that we took. We'll substitute it in the 7th equation. So substitute p is equal to 1 by 4 in 7. So the 7th equation I'm going to substitute. What is 7th equation? 4p plus 4q. 4p plus 4q equal to 3. So this is my 7th equation. 4p plus 4q equal to 7. Sorry, 4p plus 4q equal to 3. This is the 7th equation. In the 7th equation, I'm going to substitute p equal to 1 by 4. I will get 4 into 1 by 4 plus 4q equal to 3. And now 4 will get cancelled. You get 1, it will go here. You get 1 plus 4q equal to 3. 1 goes this side. You get 4q equal to 3 minus 1. You get 4q equal to 2. You get q equal to 2 by 4, which means q is equal to 1 by 2. Clear? So value of q is 1 by 2. So we have got q also now. We have found p also. But ultimately, we need to find x and y. So now, let's substitute the value of p and q in x and y. Where is the equation that has p and x and y? This equation and this equation. So let's take this. 1 by 3x plus y equal to p. P is 1 by 4. So we will get 1 by 3x plus y equal to 1 by 4. I'm substituting the value of p as 1 by 4 here. And then this cross multiply. 4 into 1 is 4. This into 1 is 3x plus y into 1 is 3x plus y. So 4 equal to 3x plus y. I can write this as 3x plus y equal to 4. Both are same. I write this entire thing here and entire 4 here. Clear? So now this you call it as another equation, which is equation 9. Yeah, we are not till 8, so ninth equation. So similarly, take the other one, which is 1 by 3x minus y. This one by 3x minus y is q. So which means 1 by 3x minus y equal to q. Q is how much? 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Now again cross multiply. 1 into 2 is 2 equal to 3x minus y, or I can say 3x minus y equal to 2. Then you call this as the equation number 10. Now we should solve equation 9 and equation 10 to find the value of x and y. So what is equation number 9? I will go here. I'll write it here. The continuation of this is here. So 3x plus 4 equal to, 3x plus y. 3x plus y equal to 4. This is ninth equation. Then we have 3x minus y equal to 2. That is our 10th equation. Now again solve these two. Now we check coefficient of x is same or coefficient of y is same. Both are same. 3, 3. Here also 1, minus 1. Plus or minus is okay. Now when both of them have the same coefficients, x is also having 3, 3, y is also having 1, 1, or minus 1 plus 1. Then we will try to go and take the variable which has different sign. The coefficient is same, 1, 1. Coefficient is 1 and minus 1, but the numerical coefficient, the numerical value is 1, 1. So we will add this. If I add this, I'll get 3x, 6x plus y minus y will cancel. 4 plus 2 is 6. I'll get x is equal to 6 by 6, which means x is 1. So what is the value of x? X is 1. Now let's find the value of y. So substitute x is equal to 1 in one of them. Let's take the ninth one. So substitute x is equal to 1 in ninth equation. We are going to substitute x is equal to 1 in ninth equation. So what do we get? We will get substitute here. So 3x plus y equal to 4. X is 1. So 3 into 1 plus y equal to 4. 3 plus y equal to 4. Y is equal to 4 minus 3. Y is equal to 1. What is the value of y? Y is also 1. X is also 1. So the answer is x is equal to 1. Y is equal to 1. Clear? So this is how we solve equations which are not linear equations in two variables, but they can be reduced or they can be converted as a linear equations in two variables. Fine. So now we'll go to the second problem in exercise 3.6. We'll do second problem. It has 3 word problems under that. So second problem, first subdivision. Second problem, first subdivision. I will read the question. Fine. I hope you all have the book. Please refer the book when you are checking this. So second problem, first sub problem under the second problem is formulate the following problems as a pair of linear equations and find their solutions, which means we need to solve. First we have to form the equation and then we have to solve. Now the first question is, so second problem, first subdivision is, Ritu can row downstream 20 kilometers in 2 hours and upstream 4 kilometers in 2 hours. Find her speed of rowing in still water and the speed of the current. Speed of the current means speed of the water or speed of the stream, right? So now this problem is about downstream and upstream. The moment downstream and upstream, which I was telling when I was explaining about the downstream and upstream in the example 19 in the previous videos. If you see the example 19, right, you can watch that to understand what is upstream and downstream. The example 19, you can refer example 19 in my previous videos. Example 19 of page number 65. That video you can refer. And then I told you there that we need to, the moment we see upstream and downstream, we should write 4 points, which is, we should say, let the speed of the boat in still water, that is not given, so we should make it as x, we should take it as x kilometer per hour. Now next one is let the speed of the current, because these two are the ones that we need to find in the question. So finally, see what they are saying, find her speed of rowing it in still water, which means speed of the boat in still water, and the speed of the current. And the speed of the current is y kilometer per hour. Then we should write our immediately third point about which I was telling when I was doing example 19 was we need to write upstream speed. Upstream speed is what? So when which means your water is going in this direction, your boat is in this direction. This is water, this is boat. That is called as upstream, which means you are going against the flow of the water. So water is going like this, but the boat is going in this way. Then it is called as upstream. Then in that upstream, what is upstream speed? Speed of the boat minus speed of the water, because they are going in opposite direction. So speed of the boat is how much? In the still water, x, minus what is speed of the water or current. They also call it as current, right? Or stream. So that is why. So your upstream speed will be always x minus y if you take the speed of the boat in still water as x and speed of the stream or speed of the current is as y. Right? Now downstream. Downstream speed will be what? So downstream means this is upstream. Right? Downstream is this is upstream. Right? This is for upstream. Right? Downstream means your boat is your water is going in this direction, your boat is also going in the direction. This is boat, this is water or current, whatever, or current. Current is also called as water or stream. So your boat is in the water, they are in the same direction. When they flow in the same direction, when you are rowing the boat along the direction of the flow of the water, then the boat will go faster. So what will be the downstream speed? Downstream speed will be speed of the boat plus speed of the water. Because when you row the boat, the water also will push your boat faster. Because you are going as per the flow of the water. Your boat is going in the same direction as the water. So which means when you row, it will go faster, right? So which means the net speed will be speed of the boat plus speed of the water, which is y. So we should write these four statements whenever you see the problem as upstream, downstream. Then we can solve them. How do we solve them? What it says? Ritu can row downstream 20 kilometers in 2 hours. So which means she is rowing the boat 20 kilometers downstream. And she takes how much time? She takes 2 hours. So time taken, so we can write this. So time, or we can say, we know that distance by speed is time. So distance, so she rows 20 kilometers downstream. So which means downstream distance by downstream speed will give you time. And we can say downstream time also, doesn't matter. So which means distance by speed is time. So how much distance she has gone downstream? She is going 20 kilometers. 20 kilometers. By what is the downstream? This is the downstream distance is 20. Downstream speed is how much? X plus y. And this is equal to time. Time, how much time she takes to go downstream 20 kilometers in 2 hours. So 2 hours is time. Right? So this is your equation from the first statement. So we can cross multiply and all that. So if this goes here and if this 2 comes here, we'll get 20 by 2 equal to x plus y. So x plus y can go here, 2 can come here. Then you will get x plus y equal to 20 by 2. 20 by 2 is, I'll write 20 by 2 as it is. I'm writing this whole. So always it is better to keep the variable on the left side. If anywhere you find the variable on the right side, this is what I generally do. The moment I see the variable on the right side, I will pull that variable to the left side. I will always pull that variable to the left side. So what we get? We get x plus y equal to 20 by 2, which is 10. We call this as equation 1. You got the first equation. Fine. Then what we do is we need to see the second information that is given in the question. They will always give you 2 information to find 2 equations. So second information is what? They are saying They are saying find Ritu can row downstream 20 kilometers in 2 hours. This is first information. The second is, and upstream 4 kilometers in 2 hours. She can go upstream distance of 4 kilometers in how many hours? 2 hours. So which means next one is, I'll write here, next one is upstream distance by upstream speed is equal to time. You can put upstream time also, doesn't matter. The distance by speed is time. What distance? Upstream distance. How much upstream she is going? It is going upstream 4 kilometers in 2 hours. So 4 kilometers by upstream speed is how much? X minus y. X minus y. How much time she is going 4 kilometers upstream? She goes 4 kilometers upstream in 2 hours. That's what given in the question. So which is 2. Time is 2. Now cross multiply. So x minus y will go here, 2 will come here. You'll get 4 by 2 equal to x minus y. X minus y will go here, 2 will come down. So or you can write x minus y equal to 4 by 2. Or x minus y is 2. So this is second equation. Now we need to solve this first equation and second equation by any method, elimination method preferably, and then we should find the value of x and y. Clear? So how do we solve this? Let me erase this. So what we have? We have, oops. So here I had upstream. Then boat will go in this direction as boat. Upstream is downstream. Downstream means boat and water in the same direction. Upstream means water in one direction, boat in the opposite direction. So what we have? We have the two equations, x plus y equal to 10. First equation. Then x minus y equal to 2. That is second equation. We need to solve them by elimination method. So coefficient of y is plus and minus. So we can add them. X plus x is 2x. These two will get cancelled. You'll get 12. 10 plus 2. So x is 12 by 2, which is 6. So substitute x is equal to 6 in one of the equations. So substitute x is equal to 6 in first equation. So x plus y equal to 10. X is 6. So 6 plus y equal to 10. Your y is equal to 10 minus 6. Y is equal to 4. So therefore, speed of the boat that Ritu is rowing, speed of the boat in still water is equal to what? We have taken it as x. Speed of the boat is not as x. And what is x? 6. So 6 km per hour. You have to write this unit, very important. And speed of the stream or speed of the current. They call it as speed of the water also, or speed of the stream also. That is equal to y. What is y? Y is 4. Speed of the current is y. And y is 4. So 4 km per hour. Clear? So this is the answer for second problem, first subdivision. Fine. So we will stop here. You can watch my next video for the continuation of this chapter. Thank you for watching, guys.